Let's see the world. This one here, there's flowers there. See, buddy, there's flowers there. Yes, can see. This one is our here. This is our garden, okay? With flowers, you have to recognize. This one, the garden look like this, okay? See, with lots of nice green. You have to here. Oh, where's your friend there? So you have to recognize. Okay. Mommy have plant like this. Mommy's plant. Yes, mommy. Quiet. Good boy. Can see all the plant here with flowers here. Okay. You can recognize. Want to pluck? Let's pluck a random flower. So you see, mommy have acorn here, okay, and the tree here. Okay, must recognize the tall tree. Yes. Good boy. So we see over here, so we can recognize. Yes, we can recognize. Somebody always know to come back. Okay? Always come. Okay, that's a good. The rangoon flower here. Rangoon flower here. Okay. That's your rangoon flower to play. Right? Who make this rangoon flower thing? Huh? Destroy. Well, are you guilty? How come you didn't take the jasmine flower? Cambodia flower, no? You take this one? Don't give me the guilty face. Guilty face, What is this? Let me see guilty face.